person just stroke me, say I wear disco clothes. Thank God it's Friday. I'm ready to disco. Welcome to Health Corner. My name is Dr. Adora, so you already know. And this is the one place where they give you all the better information concerning your health. And we don't yarn you about different hygienic practices we suppose they use to make sure say they smell very nice, your mouth they smell very nice, and you get plenty friends on to say you they very, very kajad. Now, the one where I want to want you today will be Friday. Now how you want to take they prevent bad smell. Make your body know they smell anyhow. Number one, I beg, it gets some places where I don't hear, in fact, some kind of churches where they talk say to use deodorants or use perfume. Now sin, I beg, I take God beg you. If you know say you want they smell very nice and try use perfume. Unto say your body naturally you they sweat every day. You understand? Your body they come out sweat because we they work very hard. So our sweat pores go they release sweat. The sweat on their own not they smell low. Now by the time they don't mix with bacteria and other things where they come in contact with our skin, they'll come they that's why people get their own specific smell. But to help all these things, I beg, use deodorant spray, use perfume. All these ones come out all those musty smell of sweat and keep you cleaner. You fit also buy antiperspirants, that's what they call them. This one will help to prevent you from over sweating, and it will help dry up the sweat in case you sweat. You understand? You get plenty brands where they offer different combinations of the antiperspirants and deodorants. Then they get different types of deodorants and antiperspirants. Some day for women, some day for men. If you pick the one which work best for you. You get some women where they like to use man spray. It's okay. The important thing be say make you they smell nice. Then you get some kind scents where they very, very overbearing. And if you don't work well, when I say overbearing, they're too strong. Then if you don't work well with your body chemistry, just they try them, until you find the one where they very subtle, where they're good for you, where they keep you dry and make you smell very good. Then if you be one of those people where gets problem with excessive sweating, or they get body odor, whether or not they take your time to wash your body, use deodorant and body spray. I beg, waka go find your doctor, may you talk to him, because it is very possible say you get one underlying condition, one kind of sickness where they cause this thing, where you need treatment. Then it gets some kind of scents where they overly fragrant. You understand? You get some people where if they don't enter room like this, everywhere go just full with the smell of anything where they rub. I know say you want smell good, but it is bad to smell too much like a particular perfume. Understand? If people go see your perfume before they see you, it's not too good like that. Make it subtle. Everything you need to do it with moderation. When you want choose a fragrance where you want use, find one where they pleasing, but not the one where they pursue people. Understand? Because if it is too strong, then you got to apply them small. Just put enough, we go day enough for people, or may not they chase people about. Then I beg, no use spray to cover up body odor. You understand? If you know say you they smell, deal with that issue of smelling first. Because if you mix that body odor with smell, the smell where they come out, now worst thing no. So not try to they cover up all those your body odor with fragrance. If you know say you experience this body odor, find the cause, take care of it before you begin to spray all these things where they talk. Then on top of this one, I beg, wash and change your clothes. Some people, they go wear clothes for morning. That same cloth, they go come back, they won't come out again. They go still wear them with all the sweat where they don't sweat on top of them. I beg, for personal hygiene's sake, change your clothes every day. Wash your clothes as often as possible to ensure that they smell clean and fresh. Most clothes can be worn at least 2 times before you wash them. But in case you know say, with the exception of socks or your underwear, but in case you know say you they sweat well, please, I take God beg you, not try them more than once. Any clothes where you they wear to gym or do sports or something where you shall wear to do plenty activity and you they sweat well, I beg, make sure say you wash them immediately after you use them. Then change your bed sheets every week. Now here I go bar break on top the matter. In fact, if you get any questions to ask me, I beg, send your questions to Dr. Adora at wazobiatv.tv, and me, I go read them, answer you jejely. Until next week, now me they wish you beautiful weekend. I go see you next week. Bye.
if you know say just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.
As we dey carry dey go.